Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete a YNAB transaction. To delete a YNAB transaction, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the YNAB application from your app drawer, or you can also open up a web browser and log into YNAB website. Make sure to log into your account, and after logging in, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on Account. The Account button will be located at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it and then click Open a transaction you'd like to delete. Once you do that, you'll end up in the transaction page where you'll need to scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Transaction. Confirm your transaction deletion by tapping on Delete Transaction once again, and you will be able to delete your transaction on YNAB. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.